Hi there, and welcome back to another CompanySync.io tutorial. I'm Vicky, your guide to unlocking the full potential of our powerful tools. Today, we're diving into the Contracts widget, an essential feature for managing all your contracts with ease and precision. Whether you're tracking active agreements, monitoring expiration dates, or adding new ones, this widget keeps everything organized at your fingertips. So let's get started. Contracts are the foundation of your business relationships, and this widget is designed to help you manage them seamlessly. With an intuitive layout and smart tracking tools, you'll never lose sight of important details or deadlines. Let's discuss the features and benefits. Right at the top, you'll find a contract summary, which gives you an overview of first, active hired contracts. These need immediate attention to renew or update. About to expire are contracts nearing their end date to help you prepare in advance. Recently added, a quick view of your most recent contracts, and trash, the contracts that have been deleted or marked for review. You will also see graphical insights or graphical charts to visualize. There's a contracts by type. This breakdown shows the distribution of contract categories like insurance, scope of work, retail, and more. That would also depend on the drop-down or the menu that you have. Contracts value by type, this is in USD. You can see the monetary value of contracts based on type, helping you assess where your business investments are. And just below that, you will see a summary of the number, object, customer, contract type, contract value, start date, end date, and project signature, as well as specialist one. To add a new contract, you simply have to click on the plus new contract button at the top right. Here's what you'll need to fill in. You have customer name. There's a drop down. Just choose the name of the customer. Say, for example, if you want to type Karen Stone, you will see the name and just click. You also need to type a subject, the title or purpose of the contract. It could be like install, roofing, install. There's also a contract value where you can type the amount. The contract type, there are available drop downs like insurance, scope of work, and if you want to add, just click on the add or plus button. Then you create a new contract type based on what your company needs. There's also the start date and the end date. You will be able to define that. You can select the appropriate category or select or define the contract's duration. Description is you can provide additional details or notes about the agreement. In here, simply put the insurance company name if applicable. Additionally, at the top of the page, you'll see options to trash or hide from customer. To trash means you mark contracts you want to delete or review later. And hide from customer, you can keep certain contracts internal by choosing this option. The key benefits of the Contracts widget means you will be able to stay organized with clear summaries and visualizations. You can proactively manage deadlines with reminders for expiring contracts. You can also customize contract entries to suit your business needs and keep documents private with a hide from customer features. Once everything is done, you just have to click on the Save button and all the information that you have created will be saved. And there you have it. The Contracts widget is your go-to tool for simplifying contract management and ensuring your business operations run smoothly. Remember, staying on top of your agreements builds trust and drives success. If you have questions, our support team is here to help. See you in our next tutorial.